In this lesson, we'll cover creating lighting circuits. So looking at our Revit model on our screen, we see the lights on the right side of our view have circuits. The circuits are depicted by the arcs going from light to light and also from light to device, such as a wall switch. So how do you create the circuits for the lights on the left? Well, one method is to simply select one of the lights. When you select the light, the ribbon changes on the right. If this light did belong to a circuit, you would see an Edit Circuit button. However, it doesn't. So therefore, I see Create Systems. To create the circuit, or power circuit, simply choose Power. This will create a new circuit, adding this one light fixture to that circuit. The properties on the left are picked up from that light fixture. It's also based upon the type, in this case, if I scroll down, of the wire that's used within the circuit. Now, if you want to add other light fixtures to this circuit, simply click Edit Circuit on the ribbon on the right. This will open up the Edit Circuit ribbon and select the Add to Circuit icon. Once it's selected, I can choose any of the other lights that are not in this circuit, and it will promptly add them to the current circuit. Now, if you do select something that belongs to another circuit, Revit will prompt you about that, but it will also remove that element from another circuit and place it in this circuit. You can also remove items from a circuit as well, so I can click Remove from Circuit. If you already have your panel boxes defined, you can choose the panel box from the drop-down to tie this circuit to, or you can simply choose Select Panel Box to pick the panel from the actual layout. If you're done adding elements to the circuit, simply click Finish Editing Circuit. Now again, to see that circuit or edit that circuit, simply just choose one of your light fixtures. Once I select that fixture, I'll actually have a tab now on the top called Electrical Circuits. If I click it, I'm back to that electrical circuit panel on the actual ribbon. Here I can edit the circuit or add a panel. To deselect, just click in the background. Now, for the cosmetic lines or arcs that define the wiring, we have to actually draw wires. This is purely for a cosmetic view to show the electrician or the installer what your theory is of what light should be connected to what light in the order that you lay this out. However, the circuit, though, is already built. But to create the cosmetic wire, on the Systems tab on the ribbon in the electrical area, we'll choose Wire. This basically draws arcs using a 3-point arc method. So depending upon how you want to lay this out, I can choose one actual lamp or light, pick a point in between, and then choose another point on that lamp or that light, drawing that circuit wire. And I can continue to repeat the process for lamp to lamp, light to light, fixture to fixture, depending upon how I'm laying this out, adding these different elements to this circuit. But again, these are just wires. These are purely cosmetic, as the circuit is already defined using the Edit Circuit or Create Circuit System method. You can also view this information in the System browser. To view the System browser, go to the View tab on your ribbon, go to the User Interface drop-down on the right, choose System Browser. This will list all of your electrical circuits. But first, verify the view is set to Systems and the discipline is Electrical. Then you can hit the drop-down for your electrical circuits, specifically power circuits, and the one we added should be the last one here in the list, since we didn't give it a name, of the unnamed circuit connecting these 6 fixtures. If I expand that list, I see each of the light pendants that we added to that circuit. You can look at the other circuits as well too, as how they're defined and what they all connect within the project browser. Selecting these will also highlight these within the system or within your view. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at creating light circuits. We looked at clicking on a light, and if it does belong to a circuit, we're presented with the Edit Circuit icon on the System Tools panel. Or if it didn't belong to a circuit, we have an option on the ribbon to create a power circuit for this light. So creating the power circuit creates a new circuit with this light attached. From there, we can edit the circuit to add additional lights or switches or electrical devices to that circuit. Once the circuit is complete, the last step is to purely draw the cosmetic lines or arcs representing the wire layout from one fixture to another fixture. This is done using the Wire command on the Systems tab and simply drawing arcs from one fixture to another fixture. Lastly, we looked at the system browser and being able to view this information of the circuit within the browser and the elements that belong to that circuit.